So here's the very famous quote. This is chapter 16, section 4, paragraph 6. One of my favorites. Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all of the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. It is not necessary to seek for what is true, but it is necessary to seek for what is false. So we look for what is false, like weeding the garden, pulling those weeds, clearing that clutter, taking out the trash. That's what my workshops are for. That's what my programs are for. Taking out the trash, weeding the garden. Every illusion is one of fear, whatever form it takes, and the attempt to escape from one illusion into another must fail. If you seek love outside yourself, you can be certain that you perceive hatred within and are afraid of it. Yet peace will never come from the illusion of love, but only from its reality. So I've experienced this. I've done this work. It is really worth doing. It is life altering. And why is it life altering? Because when you let go of believing the illusions and you anchor into the truth, then you're in the flow of love. And love is refreshing, renewing, restoring, revitalizing. Love is a rock upon which we can depend. And being able to see and know and feel that changes everything. It does, it does, it does.